Hello! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, dark blue color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, red color, pink color, violet color, brown color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Brown color, orange color, pink color, purple color, dark green color, black color, red color, violet color, yellow color, sky blue color. Today we will try to learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Orange color. Number 1. Number 1. Red color. Number 2. Number 2. Light green color. Number 3. Sky blue color. Number 4. Purple color. Number 5. Violet color, number 6. Pink color, number 7. Dark blue color, number 8. Yellow color, number 9. Dark green color, number 10. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.